Crepes, with their delicate and versatile nature, have charmed food enthusiasts around the world. Whether you prefer them sweet with a hint of Nutella and strawberries or savory with a generous helping of ham and cheese, making the perfect crepe at home can be a delightful culinary adventure. This guide explores the top 5 crepe makers on the market, each known for its unique features, ease of use, and exceptional performance. Number 5, Chefman Electric Crepe Maker, Precise Temp Control, 12-inch nonstick griddle, perfect for crepes, tortillas, blintzes, pancakes, waffles, eggs, bacon, batter spreader spatula included. Black. About this item, get brunchin', skip the brunch lines and whip up delicious cafe-quality crepes right at home. With the Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle you can quickly and easily make crepes, blintzes, pancakes, omelets, hash browns, and many more breakfast favorites. This multifunctional crepe pan also doubles as a griddle, so you can use it day or night. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner will be easier and more fun than ever. Perfectly precise, powerful 1000-watt heating element with a precise temperature control knob gives you consistently delicious and even results every time. Light up power feature indicates that your crepe maker is heating up, while green indicator light illuminates when it has reached desired cooking temperature. Includes free batter spreader and spatula for perfect distribution and easy crepe creation, saves time and effort. Large cooking area makes it easy to create restaurant-style crepes in your own kitchen. Simply preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Use the included batter spreader and spatula for perfect distribution, smooth texture, and easy flipping. Non-stick surface. The cooking surface is non-stick, so no scraping or mess. Number 4, Proctor Silex Electric Crepe Maker with 13 nonstick griddle for eggs, pancakes, omelets and quesadillas, with temperature control, spatula, spreader, batter cup, stainless steel, 38400 PS. About this item, 13 inches nonstick cooking surface. Create a crepe that's perfect for filling with your sweet or savory favorites. 8 heat levels. The control you need to get a perfectly golden finish, and the right heat to also cook homemade flour tortillas, make traditional pancakes and more. Tools included. A batter cup and spreader lets you easily achieve that signature paper-thin consistency, and the extra-large spatula was specifically designed to make flipping and folding your crepe practically foolproof. Great for breakfast, dinner, dessert. Make breakfast a special treat with raspberry and ricotta crepes. Create a simple yet delicious dinner of mushroom and Gruyere crepes. Easy to use, just pour the batter, spread and flip. When finished, the non-stick surface easily wipes clean. Number 3, Nutrichef Electric Griddle Crepe Maker Cooktop, non-stick 12-inch aluminum hot plate with LED indicator lights, adjustable temperature control, wooden spatula, batter spreader included. About this item, quick easy breakfast. Creating perfect delicious crepes blintzes for the whole family is easier with this electric griddle. Aside from crepes, this griddle is great for cooking other breakfast favorites such as pancakes, bacon, eggs. Compact, convenient design. This heavy-duty hot plate cooking machine is small enough to make storage travel simple. Safe for any countertop, kitchen top, tabletop, and comes with 2.5-foot power cord. Easy to use. make evenly cooked crepes all the time. This portable crepe maker has adjustable temperature controls to ensure the food is cooked to perfection. It features an LED indicator to let you know when the desired temperature has been reached. Spreader spatula included. To make breakfast preparation a lot easier simple, the Griddle pan comes with a wooden spatula batter spreader. These tools help in creating an even texture and make flipping simple, wide cooking surface, making a big crepe or preparing breakfast all at once as possible with this 12-inch electric griddle. In addition, the nonstick aluminum construction makes food flipping or removal a breeze. Number 2. 12-inch Griddle Crepe Maker, Nonstick Electric Crepe Pan W Batter Spreader Recipe Guide Dual Use for Blintzes Eggs Pancakes, Portable, Adjustable Temperature Settings, Holiday Breakfast or Dessert, Delicate Crepes, and Blintzes are made quickly and easily on this 12 nonstick crepe maker and griddle, 5 different temperature settings. You'll have precise control for perfect results. The aluminum plate is also ideal for using as a griddle, perfect for making stacks of pancakes, bacon, and other breakfast favorites. The on-off ready light lets you know when the plate is hot enough, and rubber feet on the bottom provide extra stability. Includes recipes for basic crepe batter, fresh mushroom crepes, and blueberry blintzes. Makes for a great birthday or holiday gift. Number 1. Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker with Auto Power Off, Portable Crepe Maker Nonstick Dipping Plate, On-Off Switch, Nonstick Coating Automatic Temperature Control, Pan Oppo. About this item, versatility. Nonstick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element 120V, 60 Hz, 800W temperature control, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle designed for easy holding/operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, convenient cooktop. This nonstick crepe maker has a large cooking area of 8, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean. This round electric single crepe maker with non-stick surfaces is easy to clean. Wipe the cooking plate over with a damp cloth, and your crepe maker electric is clean. Make sure the appliance is dry before storing. A great addition to your kitchen, our electric crepes maker has a battered tray to make preparation easier. This pan-style griddle is excellent for fast cooking. Perfect for any countertop, tabletop, or kitchen top. Start cooking breakfast eggs and pancakes to make your life healthy.